Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make smog text effect in CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for PC, and for example I'm going to add this white background template and add the text. Just click text and default text and change the text. For example, you can change colors and resize. Okay, just export. Click export. Okay, and delete this project, and then just import that's created and dark here, and you can click effect. So you can look for smog effect in nature effect. So here's smog effect. Just drag here, adjust for duration, atmosphere, and speed like this. So here we go. That's how to make smart text effect in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and show thanks. Bye bye.